kind of dirt that came out from this house, it's shocking, because before I started arranging, there was literally no dirt on the floor. But as soon as I started sweeping and rearranging everything, boom, see dirt everywhere. I don't know where they came from. At this point, the idea was already dropping in. Good part of it is that all of the things I used for the setup, I didn't get them recently. I already had them over a year plus. For the plants, I got it from Temu or Shein, one of them. I got it over a year ago. And the plant stand, I also got it from either Temu or Shein. For the chair, it came with the house. So the house came with a table and a chair. I was looking for what to add to the table just to give it more beauty. Like I said, I didn't get anything new. Everything I used for the setup was everything I had before. And then I remembered my picture from my graduation. I had to bring it so I would remind myself of my small wins and my achievements. Also, I brought some fashion book that states Paris, London, and New York just to put some nice fitting to the studio. The only thing I got new was this Boya BY-V30 wireless mic. I saw it on Amazon and it has nice reviews, so I had to get one to use just in case I'm doing recording that is far from my phone. It has noise cancellation. It came with 2 mic and it's quite affordable, so I think it's a good one. This is the final look. What do you think, guys? Is it cute? Is it okay? Would you try this with your own space? Leave a comment below.